Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today, I'm going to walk you through the analysis of YouTube recommendation algorithm. This is a hands-on and very quick short data science project. We are going to explore how the platform of YouTube lures users with different types of content and adjusts recommendations over time. So the first step, we need to prepare the data. There are usually two ways that we can prepare the data with the help of ChatGPT or other models. First of all, we can copy paste the video titles to ChatGPT and ask it to organize it into a data frame, or we can take a screenshot and ask ChatGPT to build the data frame by extracting the textual information. If you want to test several rounds of the data, for example, each time when you refresh the YouTube front page, you are going to see different video names. You can input the textual information or image information to ChatGPT one by one. Then eventually it will prepare the data frame for you. So in this case, I'm going to test what if I do not click any video in the front page of YouTube. How does the algorithm change the recommendation style in the front page? So once the data was collected, like I said, with the help of ChatGPT or other models, we can have the CSV format data prepared, and we can upload using this code block and start analyzing. In the code, we import different dependencies as we needed, then we upload the file to Colab environment, and eventually we read this data frame to prepare for further analysis. Each row representing a video category, and the columns represented different rounds of YouTube's homepage recommendations. So, for example, when I log into the front page, I see the round 1 recommendation list. Then I refresh, I get round 2, then round 3. Of course, now if you are using Colab, you can print the data frame directly, so you can manipulate and see visualization directly. Then, if you have multiple rounds or additional rounds of the data, you can also merge the different data frames. In here, I'm using the code to actually merge two separate data frames. Of course, this is optional. If you can build up the data frame one shot, you can do it. And then we can use different visualization tool like this one. I just do a very simple visual, and according to the categories set up by ChatGPT, we can see that in the beginning, the percentage of the different categories are quite large. And since I'm not clicking any video, so the algorithm is kind of shrinking the existing category and make some emerging categories. It's like doing some tests. And you can see here after round 11, there is a more drastic improvement in an independent category, is a general entertainment. So from this, we can see that YouTube is trying to guess what the users like. From this experiments, we can see that if we don't click some of the video type, it will find some correlated categories and put into our feed to let us choose. Of course, as you can see the category, we have some very general and also some very detailed categories. Of course, you can try to merge them and see them more clearly. But at this point, I think I already get the idea that the algorithm works as I expected. Then if we use Plotly, we can see then more dynamically, we can select or deselect some of the categories I want to see or do not want to see. As you can see here, we are seeing that more categories are emerging after certain rounds of inactivity of the user. So the algorithm is trying to guess the user's preference and also keep the user. But as far as I know, all the social media platforms we are using, they are using very complicated machine learning algorithms in the backstage. They can understand your personal information, how to match different personal information to different videos, and have you stay on the platform for a longer time. Of course, there are different variations of the test of such algorithm topic, but for today, I'm going to stop here. This is a very quick and usually take you a very little time to prepare the raw data to get some insights eventually. If you like this kind of exploration, please leave a comment and let me know. And if you like my video, give it a like. If you like my channel, please subscribe and See you next time. Bye bye.